Okay, here we are on the user's profile on the admin portal, and what we're going to do is add a vehicle. So we go into this interface here and click on Add Vehicle, in which case we will get a form to fill. Pretty straightforward. And once we have the form filled out, we simply click on Add Vehicle to add it into the user's profile. And we'll see that it pops up here now in the user's profile. Now if we wanted to purchase a permit for this user, we go under Parking, and we see the permits that are available to the user. So in this case, we're going to purchase a Veritas Communications parking permit. It gives us the number of the permit, or and what permits can be purchased. So in this case, we're going to select a permit, and on the admin side, you can select a permit. On the user's portal, you get the next permit in line. And this is a yearly permit, so it's going to start on January 1st, 2020. And we can proceed to payment. In this case, we're just going to select cash to complete the payment. And we'll process that manually to complete the process. And there is the record of the purchase. And if we go back to the user's profile, we see that permit available now and valid.